Sir, how would you rate the difficulty level of CSET paper as compared to 2024?
What I feel this year the paper was more difficult as compared to last year. And if we see the composition of the paper, like maths, reasoning, and RC part. So maths part was difficult. Reasoning part was like moderate as it was in 23 and 24. But if we talk about the RC part, again it is what I feel it is more difficult as compared to 24 and 23. What I feel, and the number of questions from maths it was less as compared to last 2 3 years. Number of reasoning questions it was slightly higher, or we can say it is same. But number of RC questions 2 3 questions more they have asked this year, and the topics from which UPSC is asking questions in maths and reasoning part, that is almost same. And this year also, what was the trend in last 2 3 5 years? From number system, they are asking a lot of questions, and this year also they asked a lot of questions from number system.
So, does the paper contains tricky questions or the time-consuming reasoning questions?
Yes, certainly. Like if we see the questions which are from number system. So in few questions, 4 5 6 questions, they were very tricky. They are asking for number of pairs to find out the kind of numbers you can find out. So this way, these questions are very tricky and time consuming also. And you cannot be sure after getting the answer of these questions that this is the correct answer. So that is why we can say these kind of questions we need to skip in the paper. If we skip these kind of questions, then only we can have that time for other questions. And it affects the number of attempts also. So yes, so many tricky questions were there, and mostly they were from number system. And also a new trend we have seen if we compare to last 2 3 years paper. So after 22, they haven't asked any question related to time, speed, and distance. But this year they started asking questions again from time, speed, and distance. And overall, what I can say, the paper was difficult as compared to previous year. Thank you.
Thanks.